Welcome back to Quiz Me Out. We make quizzes smart enough for adults and safe for kids. Today's challenge: avoid my answer, animals. 26 questions in 3 rounds. Get 1 point if different and 0 if same. Careful! Less than 5 points in round 1. You are out. Survive till the end for the final question. Correct? Double points. Wrong? Half gone. Only one person can get the perfect score. Guess who's the one? It's me, the quiz maker. Think you can beat me? Let's begin. First question. Name a sea animal, but not a shark. Dolphin. Dolphins are very smart and like to talk with each other using sounds. 2. Name a black animal, but not a bat. Black panther. A black panther is not a different kind of animal. It's just a leopard or jaguar that is black. 3. Name a pink animal, but not a starfish. Pig. Pigs are one of the smartest animals on the farm. So, your answer is flamingo, right? I was nice enough to give you flamingo. 4. Name an animal with horns, but not a deer. Goat. Goats can see almost all the way around them without turning their heads. 5. Name an animal with spots, but not a giraffe. Ladybug. The spots on a ladybug can fade and become lighter as the ladybug gets older. Quick break. Find odd one out. The sleeping dog, because the others are human babies. 6. Name a reptile but not a snake. Lizard. Many lizards can drop their tail if they are in danger. 7. Name an animal with a shell but not a turtle. Tortoise. Tortoises can live for a very, very long time. Wait a second. Turtle and tortoise? Which one is which? What's the difference? Stay to the end for the answer. 8. Name an animal that eats grass, but is not a cow. Sheep. Sheep can see almost everything around them without moving their heads. 9. Name a farm animal that lays eggs, but not a chicken. Duck. A domestic duck can lay over 1,000 eggs in its lifetime. Round 1 finished. Time to check. Did you score over 5 points to move on? Or say goodbye right here? All right, let's continue round 2, because I don't think round 1 was hard for you. 10. Name an animal that gives both meat and milk, but not goat. Reindeer. Reindeer milk is very rich and has much more fat and protein than cow's milk. 11. Name an animal that starts with the letter C, but not a cat. Camel. 12. Name an animal that starts with the letter P, but not a pig. Peacock. The beautiful tail of a peacock is called a train. 13. Name an animal with more than 4 legs, but not a centipede. Spider. Spiderweb silk is stronger than a steel string. 14. Name an animal with a beard, but not a seal. Cat. A cat's beard can feel tiny changes in the air. 15. Name an animal used for carrying people, but not a donkey. Horse. A horse can travel up to 30 miles, about 48 kilometers, in one day. Time break. Don't sleep. I'm watching you. Find odd one out. Hamburger, because it's a salty meat dish, while the others are sweet foods. 16. Name an animal from the Chinese zodiac, but not a dragon. Rabbit. The rabbit is the 4th animal in the Chinese zodiac. The most recent year of the rabbit was 2023. 17. Name an animal that is black and white, but not a zebra. Panda. A panda can eat over 200,000 pounds, about 90,700 kilos, of bamboo in its lifetime. 18. Name a movie or cartoon with a cat as a character, but not Puss in Boots. Doraemon. Doraemon is one of the most famous manga in the world. His official birthday is September 3rd, 2112. 19. Name an animal used for fashion, but not a crocodile. Ostrich. Ostrich leather is very expensive because it has special bumps. Time break! Don't sleep, I'm still watching you. Find odd one out. Medicine. Chocolate and candy are sweet treats, but medicine isn't food. It's for health. Who's still getting everything right? And now, final round. 20. Name an animal with white fur, but not a polar bear. Swan. Swans mate for life and stay with one partner forever. 21. Name a zodiac sign that is also an animal, but not Leo. Taurus is for people born between April 20th and May 20th. Name an animal that lives in water and on land, but not a frog. Hippo. Hippos have a special red oil on their skin that acts like sunscreen. Name an animal that lives in a house but is not a pet. Mouse. Mice can squeeze through tiny holes to get inside your house. 24. Name an animal that eats carrots at the zoo but is not a rabbit. Elephant. Elephants eat many different plants, like grasses, leaves, and tree bark. 25. Name an animal that is extinct, but not a T-Rex or mammoth. Triceratops. Triceratops is also a kind of dinosaur, but not T-Rex or mammoth. Triceratops means three-horned face. See? I knew I could trick you. Before the final question for your chance to double your score, here's the answer to the difference between a turtle and a tortoise from question 7. Turtles live in water and have flippers for swimming. Tortoises live on land and have strong legs for walking. Nature is truly amazing. And now, the final question, question 26. Everything depends on this. Get it right and you double your score. Get it wrong and you lose half. Ready? Listen carefully and think. Crocodiles cry when they eat. True or false? It's true. Crocodiles cry when they eat. That's why we say crocodile tears for fake sadness. Congrats on finishing the quiz. Are you really next person with a perfect score, or am I still the one and only? By the way, you survived my quiz. That already makes you a legend. How many points did you get? Let us know your score in the comments. For more fun challenges, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time on Quiz Me Out.